Hello sir. Open your code, select all and copy. Now open this link, I sent it already. Paste your code in the first section here. Now click on make slots. When you click here, some fields appear like that: title, photo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, description. So we need to copy one by one all of them. So first of all, title, simply copy your title and paste. Now for image, simply click to enlarge, then right click and copy image address. Remember, copy image address, copy and paste. Now second image, copy image address and paste. Now if you have two images, you can leave this box empty, otherwise you can repeat the same URL and here. So I'll same copy and paste. So for description simply copy your all description text, copy. Now open this tool. This tool we use to convert the text into HTML. Paste your text here. Now click on HTML, simply click and copy this code and paste in description section here. Now click on make code. When you click here, this code is ready for eBay. Simply select all and copy and paste in eBay description section. But if you want to test it, how it should look like that, you simply click on preview. When you click here, your template preview is ready. Here is the title, here is the description, and here is the images. So I just repeated, that's why it's appearing again. And I hope you understand. Thanks.